My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called New24. New24 stands for a new ransomware that may attack Windows computers these days. This ransomware damages the files, and it's not possible to open the files after the ransomware's attack. Well, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But the trouble is that because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this New24 ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. And so, very soon, users realize that they can no longer access their data. The files get damaged and encrypted by this ransomware pretty soon. And this ransomware is called like that, New24, because it appends this New24 extension to the file names. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus program. And I recommend you to use combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download it, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers can also be damaged by this ransomware. So go to the website combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application. This is the way the software looks like. As you can see, the application is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database. And this is very important, so don't skip this very important step for proper detection of this ransomware. After the anti-malware database gets updated, Combo Cleaner begins investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, of course, you will see the full summary of infections which were revealed. Certain threats can be removed manually by going to the locations of those threats and removing them manually. But premium license is a much better solution. You can request trial in order to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover at least some of your files.